Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the big book of the dinosaurs and the prehistoric life. It is none other than Euplocephalus. Yes, it's hard to pronounce, guys. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this dinosaur, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, and I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. So we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to have an up-close look at the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, the big book of the dinosaurs and the prehistoric life. And guys, this collection is from National Geographic, and it's distributed here on a local level by Clarin, which is a newspaper from Buenos Aires, Argentina, where we live. This, guys, is the number 19. If you would like to see the previous 18, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards. And well, let's open this up. And cool, we have a neat artist rendering of one of these guys here. They have like a beak thing, which is pretty neat. And over here, we have the table of contents. And well guys, let's get into this. how crazy that this is a footprint of a dinosaur that still is around.
That is still marked.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's amazing that something like that is able to be preserved.
And that it lasted until today,
yeah,
right?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I mean, preserve it.
No, I thought you mean that they are preserving it today so nobody does anything, but I mean all these million years.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right, yeah.
This is from an iguanodon, which we unboxed before.
And look at that.
Yeah, and this is just really cool. And also imagine how different this landscape must have been for the dinosaurs too, right? Because areas where there's like desert, it was like lush forest or ocean even, so totally different scenario.
Yeah. This is in the US.
Yeah, it's really cool. And this one is in Spain. Well guys, that's the end of that, but I wanted to show you here that the next will be the Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus.
Yes, what he said. So make sure to stay tuned for that, guys, because it's going to be coming very, very soon. And well, with that being said, now it's time to unbox our brand new dinosaur. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we have the dinosaur out of the initial plastic and now it's time for an up close look at him. There we have him. It's really cool, all of his spikes on his back and sides. And also, I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not, but there's also spikes on his legs. It's pretty cool. And his tail is like crazy. What do you think about it, hun?
It reminds me to, I don't remember in English the word how those animals are called, others. The ones that makes like those little dams in the rivers and things like that they hit them with their tails.
Yeah.
It reminds me to that, I don't know. It's not exactly like that, but...
No, but...
And I like the pose. It's like he's walking, right? I mean, you can put him standing, but also he's in the middle of walking because he just gave a step with this leg. And with this other, he's like about to give a step.
Yeah.
It's very, I don't know. And also in the modeling and everything, I think this one is more realistic.
Yeah, he has more like wrinkles and like...
A lot of details.
Skin bits.
Even the very bright green eyes.
Yeah.
And all the details on his face, on his head. It's really detailed.
Yeah, and what's really cool about these guys is they use these spikes as like a protection,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And this tail was to swing at a potential predator.
Yeah.
I can't imagine that would have felt very nice.
Yeah.
These guys are really cool. How is it you say their name? But I can't do it.
Euplocephalus.
Euplocephalus.
Yeah.
Yay for dinosaurs with difficult names. But well, guys, tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new dinosaur? Tell me down in the comments below. Rawr. But well, I'm gonna put him back down here on the table. How cool that he can stand up on his own. But well, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like dinosaurs, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband/cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Pardoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to check that out. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.